Alright, what's up guys? We're back here right now for our season finale of Alcoholics. Come on guys.
That's it.
Give it up. We're at our good friend Art's house at his bar. He's letting us fucking do it. Art, where you at? Jump in real quick.
What's up, everybody?
Does this bar have a name?
I haven't decided yet. I'm debating between the Fat Guy Bar or Thick Daddy's Bar.
Yep.
Still debating.
I like that Thick Daddy.
Fucking love it.
Thick Daddy.
We're gonna be pulling up.
Yeah, round of applause to Art for letting us do our fucking place.
For our season finale.
Yep. This is it, guys. This is it. This is our last episode of the
That's
season.
all you get, bitches.
This is all you get. We're done. We're not coming back.
Maybe.
Maybe. We'll see.
Oh fuck that! I ain't coming back.
They don't pay me enough.
Y'all wasting my time, bitches.
Alright, so, you know, of course, we got the giveaway coming up. We got the guitar. We got, what was it, the socks, the lanyard,
And a sticker.
and a sticker.
No,
Don't
yeah.
forget
Can't
that
forget the
shit. Comes with
sticker.
the fucking sticker.
That brings the value
We
of
got
higher.
that. Yeah. We're going to announce that midway, maybe at the end. I don't know. You got to watch the whole video to find out. But the first topic of our video is going to be, if you won $1 million, what would you spend it on? But the catch is, you only have 1 week to spend it all. And that is actually from one of our viewers, Jay, I don't know how to pronounce the last name. How do you pronounce it? Silverio? Silverio? Yeah, Jay, he commented that.
Okay.
On our last video.
Yeah, on our last
Thank
video.
you, Jay.
So what do you...
Shouts out.
You my dog.
You're my
Homie.
dog too. Shit funny.
So what would you guys do? $1 million.
You guys spend it in a week.
You gotta spend it in 1 week, like,
What do you think?
just straight go.
Think about it. $1 million ain't shit sometimes.
Yeah.
Well, it depends what you
You can buy
buy.
like 2 good items.
Yeah.
You can go to the dollar store and just have the time of your life.
Depends on what you spend it on, right?
Shit.
Well, still, I don't know.
Honestly, I would set myself up with a big old house, right?
That's what I'm saying.
My family could, like,
Yep.
if they needed to, they could stay there. You know what I'm saying? But then the rest in like invest, bro. I'm blowing it on investments, bro.
So we're saying you're gonna buy your house, pay it off for
Mm-hmm.
fucking ever to where you don't even have to worry about it.
And a car too.
And a car,
And then bow.
and a butt.
Well,
Yeah, sure. A
What
couple pounds.
price range on the house?
Shoot. Honestly, on like
500
like
I mean, you probably.
$1,000.
Yeah, you probably.
$1,000. No, probably half of it on like a house and cars and stuff, you know, and then the rest on
That's like
investments.
I would think $1 million ain't enough because houses are expensive
That's
too.
what I'm saying. But I want money. I need to make more money if I got
I
that.
get what
Like
you're
you get the
saying.
lottery, bro.
Maybe invest in
That's
something
somewhere.
that's going on to make
Yeah.
even more money.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yep. It's mailbox money. You just sit on it.
I love
It
it,
comes in
dude.
the mailbox.
I feel it.
That must be nice.
That fat check comes in the mailbox. You know what I'm saying?
What about you, Jose?
Yeah, what you got? $1 million. What are you getting?
I'll spend it on a house too, bro. You need a house. Make sure you can spend it. Well, at least a little house with good land, enough space land, you know. You do other shit around there.
So you want like crops? You want like acres and shit to like?
You want a farm?
I mean, a farm would be sick.
Yeah.
Shit. You grow anything out there.
I can see you
I
chasing
got the
some
corn. I
pigs,
got the peas. I got the bud. I got the
tomatoes, onions, whatever you want.
Just fucking have my dogs out there too. Just running around. taking
Eating
care
all
of
your weed.
You know, you're weird.
all that
Thanks,
shit.
Dad.
I mean, but then again, that's just scary though.
Yeah, you never know.
Jeepers creepers cost, man.
Yeah, children of the
Yeah,
corn,
I'll-
bro.
I'll get another car for myself. Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Spend a lot of stuff on my kids.
What kind of car would you get?
Yeah,
Though?
what kind?
What kind
Yeah.
of car?
Yeah. Don't get no little hoopty.
No,
A Honda?
fucking Ferrari.
Yeah,
man.
Ferrari.
I'll drive a Ferrari.
Woohoo! Honestly, if I had a pick a car, bro, I'm going. I have 2 cars.
You got $1 million.
your
You
money.
could have 5 cars. It's your money.
He said it's your man.
A bunch of Saturns, 18 Saturns.
500
Some
Hondas.
Saturns.
500 Honda.
95 Civics. I'll probably get a 92 SS Impala all souped up, you know what I'm saying? All black, murdered out. And then I have a Tesla, bro. I
Yeah.
fuck with Tesla.
That's not a bad
I'm-
idea.
They gas them, bro.
I don't care. You just sit there and just they
Do
drive
nothing.
for you. I get high on the way to fucking where the fuck I'm going.
It's like your own personal taxi.
Yeah, bro.
Officer, I
You
was
just you get in the car when you're drunk and you put the address in, take me home.
Damn.
It's like your own personal Uber.
Mm-hmm.
I like it. What about you, Gary? What'd you do?
I'd probably buy like 6 houses on Sun Valley.
What the fuck?
I turn them all into trap houses. Yeah, make college kids
Run
come
Sun
and
Valley,
pay.
huh?
Yeah, big college.
My money goes like
Yeah.
that. No, I'm just kidding. I
Yeah, that's
wouldn't.
investment.
That's smart.
No, honestly, I'd probably do the same. I'd probably get like a good sized house, and like not too big to where I wouldn't be able to afford it when I get ran out of money. You know, it's like the whole investment part.
Yeah.
And then I'd get myself like a decent, like reliable car.
What kind of car?
God, I don't know, man.
What's your car
Probably a
choice?
Tesla too, or like maybe like
Probably like a Chevy Love.
if not, I get like an old school fucking something
Bolt?
badass
Chevy
old school,
Bolt?
like a Chevelle or something like that.
Yeah, those new V-dubs look sick.
Yeah,
They
that'd be sick.
They
dude.
do, bro.
I'll fucking
They're like Audis, bro. There's the same
Yeah,
people make
it
Audis.
runs on electricity, no more gas in that.
That's fire.
That's just sick though.
I'd probably do that and then just sit on maybe like 400,000, you know? Just sit on it and just keep working as if I didn't have anything. So that way I always had money.
Yeah.
Yeah, I played smart. Probably
Just
invest
run
a
your,
little bit
run
too.
your own business or something.
Maybe take like 150 grand and invest it.
Put in weed, bro. That's
Yeah,
just
that
coming up, bro.
Yeah, that too.
Like hell, man. What about you?
What about you, Gabe?
What about you, Coco?
Shit, if I had $1 million,
He's on AR.
yeah, roast beef,
Chicken and pizza.
pizza. I don't know, dude. Honestly, I wouldn't get no big ass fancy house. I'd buy like a normal house, like 3-4 bedrooms, so it's no crazy mortgage. You know what I mean?
I'm paying my shit off.
Pay that shit off till the day I die. Get a GTR,
Of course.
GTR, and then you know whatever I have left, fucking help my fams out. You know, help my family out, make sure they're living cool.
Exactly.
So, question to the viewers:
So you
what would
just-
you guys do?
So you would just get a trailer and put it behind the back of your big ass house just for your family?
No, man, like I said, 3-4 bedroom, GTR, pay that
couple
shit
of
off.
RVs.
I'll go back to work, bro. That's cool. I got that to pay off. Cool.
Nah, bro, if I had that money and I'm like at work, you're just like, I'm getting pissed off. Today's gonna be mad. I'm done, bro. I'm a fucking millionaire,
I'm
bitch.
over it. In the beginning, we didn't introduce the beers. We got Coors Light, we got 805s. Because it's the season finale,
In the Five
we're not gonna
Mafia.
introduce shit. We're gonna open whichever one we want, and we're gonna drink them.
Or we've probably been drinking already.
They're pretty basic
They don't
beers.
know.
Like most of you guys have probably already drinking them
Yeah.
before, so.
Honestly, I haven't tried this.
805?
Yes,
I want to see you try it. Try it.
Yeah, try it.
Pop it.
Come on, try it. Try it.
It's a Cali beer too. Ooh, you smell like beer on the way home.
Saying you're gonna remember me forever now.
That taxi driver's gonna be pissed.
Yeah, what do you think?
Tastes like tiny.
Yeah,
That's the same thing Titus said.
It's like
It's
an
like an IPA, yeah.
almost.
It's pretty good though.
I like it. I dig it.
I like it. It's alright.
4.7 alcohol.
Jeepers.
For you alcoholics out there.
It's a good one. So, Lucio,
What do you
what's your
want?
topic, man? What do you want to cover real quick?
I want to cover this some relevant news. I'm a big sports guy, so you know what I'm saying.
ESPN News.
Yeah,
I'll do a little. Put a globe behind you.
all
See it?
that.
See it?
You see it right there. Kawhi Leonard got traded to the Clippers, man.
Go Clippers.
Why?
With Paul George. Paul George. It's gonna
Okay.
be crazy, but the Lakers are still taking it, bro.
I mean, at one point they used to be good, you know.
Yeah.
At one
He's
point.
one
Yeah.
They're fine.
That's what I hear from
Shaq.
everybody, man. That's what I hear from everybody.
But still, I mean, I'm not saying I go for the Lakers.
Yeah, I fuck with
Who's your
Kobe.
team?
My team, I like the Clippers.
Clippers?
I like
Okay. What about you, Gary?
Oh man, honestly, I won't lie. I really didn't used to like the Lakers like back in the day, you know. But lately, I've heard exactly what Titus said. So I mean, I don't really know. I don't watch it enough to say it.
Yeah,
But I probably have to go with the Lakers.
Lakers? Okay, yeah. Lakers.
You never know.
As far as I know,
You
yeah.
never know.
Yeah. Go.
Basketball?
Yeah.
Golden State.
They're pussies.
Golden State.
Pussies.
What's up with it?
What do you have?
Where are your Lakers at?
We're about to.
Y'all little
all
we
you
about to do
motherfuckers.
nothing.
Y'all little
Think
kids.
about it.
All right.
We'll talk about it. Be about
Hey, wait, I just want to throw in there. I was gonna say either the Lakers or the Sac Kings.
Okay, Kings. Okay, they got motherfuckers.
Alright.
We'll see. We'll see. All right.
It's like the Bulls.
The Bulls, yeah.
Bulls, I like the Bulls. Michael Jordan was on it.
Yeah. Well, everybody likes the Bulls. You know, Jordan was on that shit. What's your second team? The Bulls.
The Bulls.
What about you, Rob? What do you want to talk about?
I still like Derrick Rose though.
Derrick Rose?
Yeah.
Yeah, he was
I
fire.
forgot that.
I like him.
It was fire.
What about you, Rocco?
What I want to talk about?
Yeah.
Already brought it up, man. The $1 million thing.
That was it. That's what you want to talk.
That's
That's what
what
they
I wanna
wanted
talk
us to
about.
talk about.
You
So
want,
we gotta make
what
something.
I want to talk about? Man. Alright, the fucking earthquakes. Recent, last night, 7.1 in California. What the fuck? The last one was what, 6.4?
Yeah, that's good.
And there's a bunch of little aftershocks after that. We're filming here in Nevada. There's conspiracy theories going on about, you know, like we heard in the past, California breaking off and fucking whatever, Nevada being beachfront property.
That'd be crazy.
What
That'd
do you
be
think
fire.
about that?
I feel that'd be dope, bro. Cause I feel from Reno to California, the water's right there.
Yeah.
Think about it.
You see the cracks and shit?
We'll be on the beach.
Oh, I'm cool with it. I'm just saying.
That's bad. That's
No, it's bad. I don't mean it that
So
way.
California
I'm just saying be cool.
Hey,
It's going back to
so California's just gonna be
shit.
floating wherever it is. That's where it is.
Buried in the water.
Next Hawaii.
Yeah. Just
Or you know what? I'm gonna add something else. There's been this Facebook thing going around. It's like a page. It says Storm Area 51.
I seen that.
They can't stop us all. Hella people are fucking liking it. Hella people plan on going to this event.
You know why I think that's
they're probably not going.
Yeah, they ain't gonna go.
You know, maybe they are, but I don't know, it's stupid because a lot of people used to talk about Area 51 being there.
Yeah.
Being there, you know, like, so everybody thinks it's there. What if it's actually somewhere else, you know? It's like going back to our conspiracy theory.
Yeah. What if it's just a decoy
They all get
for another
they
bit?
all get locked up.
Right?
Shout out, David. Yeah, what if it's just a decoy? You know what I mean? I'd be like, oh, this is really where it's at, but it's really not. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
Smart of
exactly.
the government to do.
It's just
That's
four.
what they're doing,
Hey, it's
dude.
just 4 rooms, like empty ass rooms.
So, yeah, so everybody's thinking, yeah, that's where we're all going.
Yeah, as far as we know, they make tampons there. You know,
Yeah.
like,
Some
we don't
tampons.
know. Tampons.
Tampons and seasoning salt.
Tampons and seasoning salt.
That's all we make. I would like to thank Mark for letting us carve all of our names into this bar.
Thank you, Art.
Into the bar.
Big shout out to this bar. It is so I came up with this good thought, going back to the whole conspiracy thing and all that, you know, like the aliens. What was that, a couple episodes ago? I don't know, I was thinking about talking about something like that. Anyways, moving on to my topic. I was thinking about planets. Alright? Like planets. Like I got asked a question the other day, and the question was, do you believe that there are more than one planets out there with like life on it? Like that is like moreover that is more identical to the exact same ways that we are. You know, it's like, is it like exactly like the way we are, to where like they have like water and like they have like, you know,
Land and
they're
like,
herbivores
resources.
and, you know, stuff like that. I got asked that question the other day, and I was like, it's kind of funny that you say that, because a couple episodes ago we were just talking about something
They look like reptiles.
like duplicates of like the world and stuff. But not necessarily duplicates. I was gonna say like exactly like us. Like our organs are all the same. You know?
Okay.
We're all, you know.
Like a multiverse.
Just different
Exactly,
species.
yeah.
Type shit.
Yeah, well, I mean, like same
Avengers
thing, like just like
Yeah,
us,
yeah.
but just like completely somewhere else, and not like a duplicate.
I get what you're saying. I get what you're saying.
Yeah.
Shit, I believe in that shit. Bro.
I do.
That makes sense, bro. Like, why would we just be the only ones?
We're not.
And you know what I'm saying? And we can't prove it because I feel we really haven't been out of here.
Yeah.
Like, they always say, like, the moon shit, I thought that shit was fake.
It looked fake.
It was
Yeah.
fake,
It looked fake.
You know what I'm saying? So, like, I don't think we really, like, have gotten the technology to really leave space, you know, and venture out there. So, like, they don't know, you feel me? So we don't know. Unless they're trying to hide it from us.
That kind of reminds me of Spice when you brought up in my last video too. What if we're just an explosion and then we're further to the core? You know, they're more Yeah, they're more advanced
Makes
out
sense.
there. You know what I mean?
Well, they are, man.
That always
They
gets me
are.
thinking too. Like, damn, that's probably true.
Because they've had so much more time.
Yeah, you know,
To get things established.
because they were right there in the beginning. So we're just like evolving little by little, little by little.
Yeah. It's alright, yeah, flying cars.
Yeah, dude, like holy shit.
But they're not even cars. They call them like Ubers or fucking.
You said bloopers?
But ever since this one brought that up,
Like a trying to watch. You know what I mean? And that's like their shit. They're like, that's a Ferrari, bro.
Nah, that's a Ferrari, bro.
Or if they even speak, what if they look at each other and they can communicate like that? You know what I mean?
That'd be crazy.
Pretty fucking nuts. Yeah, I don't think we're the only planet
Not
out there. with
necessarily
species.
the only ones, but like duplicates like
Yeah.
us. But that is not like the same exact thing. You know?
Yeah,
I don't know about that, but I'm saying just more. There's something out there, bro. Like besides us, like living,
Yeah.
there's something else.
What about like higher powers? Like what about that?
What do you mean?
But yeah, like God or like.
Like not
Like
necessarily
Thor?
not necessarily God.
Not Athena. Like
That stuff's not real. Well, it might be.
Iron Man.
somewhere out there.
Yeah. No, but I mean just like higher powers. It's not necessarily like a
Like
human.
religion type shit.
It's not like a form of like anything. It's like a form of like energy, you know. Like, but they're higher power. They have like more abilities and you know like anything.
Than
that
any
we can-
human.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, I get what you're saying.
They're like higher than anybody.
Yeah.
Maybe.
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 Because honestly, I feel some animals are like better than us. They can do
Animals?
more.
Like more dominant.
Yeah,
You
bro.
think there's a species out there like on our Earth, like the monkeys or whatever, that can overtake us and make us pets?
Like Planet of the Apes.
Planet of the
You
Apes
know what I'm
type
saying?
shit?
Like, think about it. Every pet, you gotta program that motherfucker
Yeah.
and let him know who the fucking alpha male is. You feel me? Like, you gotta work on that dog, the pet, to get him trained. So imagine us, bro. I feel we're the same shit with animals, right?
Yeah.
So you can get, we're fucking, honestly, we're trained right now, bro. Like,
By the government.
laws and shit, bro. We're getting trained to do, be certain people.
What if other things could overcome us, like things that we're creating, such as robots?
Yeah.
What if we're investing so much of our time in the robots to make them as smart as us, kind of like the Terminator type shit, to where they overpower
Why?
us?
Because people are becoming lazy, dude. They don't want to do shit anymore. They just want to make money.
Dude,
Easiest
computers,
way.
computers are literally taking our jobs.
So a lot of people are gonna be investing like in robots, yeah, to run their company, so they won't have to pay anybody.
Yeah.
All that shit just goes straight to them.
Yeah.
You know?
And just maintenance.
And it downgrades the humans, and it's giving the robots or machines more of an upper advantage.
Exactly.
So who's to say one day, like, their shit doesn't fuck up in the system, and it figures everything out, you know? Because something created us. What if we're creating them to overtake us? You know what I mean?
Hey, but what came first?
Bring
the egg or
that
the
back.
chicken?
Ooh,
Yeah,
that
every
makes
chicken.
fucking sense. I like that.
Yeah, leave us a comment down below. What do you think came first, the egg or the chicken?
What do you think? Egg or chicken?
The sausage.
Sausage. Yeah, the sausage. Yeah, sausage. Sausage.
Sis.
Alright, so before we move on to Josie, we're going to announce our giveaway winner of the guitar, socks, lanyard, sticker,
All that
Big
shit.
giveaway.
big giveaway. Drum roll, please. Jay Silverado.
Hey, Silverado.
Severo. Jay Severo.
My boy
Congratulations.
Tubbs,
Random generator.
Best friends.
Whoever
they
comments,
like to
this
watch
is,
us.
yeah.
So they're doing what we tell them.
Yep.
Yeah.
You comment,
Come on.
we do the generator, and that's the random winner. And congratulations, man. You won.
Yeah, you just
Thank you.
And also, this is the last episode, but we're gonna have special features. You feel me? Extra
Bonus
clips,
videos.
Special guest.
all that
We're
shit.
going camping in a few weeks.
Until the next season. You know what I'm saying? So y'all stay tuned. We're not
Stay
just gonna
tuned.
be quiet. We're gonna make some fucking noise, bitches.
We'll still be here.
Yeah.
Oh,
Complain about it.
yeah, complain about it. Cry me a river.
I just started watching Stranger Things. So
Okay.
Stranger Things.
Season 3
Stranger
yesterday.
Things.
So that shit just dropped.
Yeah, what happens? No, I'm just kidding.
What
Yeah, what happened?
I'm not gonna spoil it.
No spoilers.
If you like Stranger Things, you like crazy shit, weird shit, crazy. Stranger Things is a pretty cool show, man.
So kind of recap me. I watched both this first season and second season. I can't really remember how the fuck the second season ended.
Really?
Yeah, I can't.
Well, when you watch,
I'm supposed to rewatch it.
no.
Like,
When you watch season 3, it
Yeah.
recaps it for you.
Yeah, I know, but like I want to watch like the last 3 episodes.
But that's what I'm saying. It recaps every. Oh, I mean, that's up to you if you want to do that.
No, I get what you're saying though.
But if you recap it, dude, it just reminds you.
But what happened at the end of the 2nd season?
Dude, I'm sorry for those that haven't watched it out, but
No, fuck that. You should have watched it by now.
So
in
it's been out.
the 2nd season, they, well, the girl 11, right? They call Elle, the one
Yeah,
that they
Elle.
found in the first one.
Yeah.
She likes waffles.
Yeah, there you go.
Likes waffles.
Roast
Yeah.
beef, chicken, pizza. You know, but you know, she closes the gate to the other side. That's what they call it. The other side. So she closes it.
Oh, okay.
You know what I mean? You remember that
I
part when
remember
they're at
that
the
now.
school and then she
Yeah.
closes the bitch and then they think she dies or whatever.
Was that the end of or season 7?
Season 7. What?
Or sorry, not season 7. The 2nd season. Sorry,
How
sorry.
far
Man,
are
you
you?
in the
I thought that was the end of the 1st season.
You're at the other worlds, huh?
Yeah, I'm part of the multiverse.
Shit. No, but
Is that really the end of the 2nd season?
yeah, that's what happens at the end of the 2nd. And then they end up out of school doing a dance.
That's right.
Man.
That's right.
But yeah, the beginning of the season 3 though, it just recaps you from everything, what happened, and it just starts off a year later. So it's just a year later after what happens in the 2nd one.
So how many episodes are you in?
I'm only 2 episodes in, and, that
2
shit,
in.
and so far that's just dope. Like,
Do you,
How
do
many
you
episodes are out?
I don't know, I haven't checked. I just want to
There's
keep,
play
a
like
bunch.
I wanna
10
keep
or
going
12?
until
Are
10
you,
or
are you
12 or
watching it
something
on
on Netflix. It's on Netflix. It's on Netflix.
Original?
Yeah, original.
Okay.
But I mean, that's a cool show, dude. Like, at first, I thought it was gonna be like, snap, whatever, you know. But it's, you know, the more you watch, you're like, holy shit. Even the first episode, dude, got you like,
Yeah, my girl put it on and I was just chilling. I was just started watching it. I was literally just got out the shower and I was just like,
yeah, dude, like,
so you like it? I was like, huh?
No.
it's like watching an anime, you know. You think it's pretty whack, but once you start getting into
And
it,
then you
you're
realize
like,
it is.
Yeah, cartoons. Yeah.
yeah, you realize it's whack, but there's some out there that are pretty sick, though. You know? I like anime, so y'all gonna know that.
So you've seen the first episode of season 3. You've seen the 2nd episode of season 3. Do you feel like the way they left off on the 2nd season that basically do you think they went the right way so far?
So
the
far,
first episode and
so
second.
far, yes, because of
Like the characters and all that.
yes, so far, I mean, in between. Just because the way they started it off was like, okay, like this just happened in the last season.
Yeah, same shit.
And this, there's another group that's trying to do something different. You get me? I'm not trying to spoil it for you, but
No.
so you gotta watch it, dude. That's why I'm telling you this one because it's just crazy. But then again, with the characters, the original characters, it's alright. I didn't like it, but I mean, I understand it because it's been a year. But I feel like they just left a lot.
Hold on, time out. I just heard somebody say, choke me, daddy. Who the fuck said that?
Who's choking over
I
there?
don't know. Choke me, daddy.
But,
Brandon on it.
but like I said, the way they left, I mean, the way they started out with other characters, I feel like there was a big gap they left in between all that. You know?
So you feel like there's shit like unexplained.
Yeah, kind of, yeah, with the characters because it just
They
started
just
off.
jumped over something.
Yeah, it was like I said, it was a year later past, you know.
But so you're only 2 episodes in. You think they'll explain more in the later episodes?
I think so. Yeah.
Because is there flashbacks yet?
Yeah, there has been.
Because no spoilers. I mean,
Yeah,
there's flashbacks throughout the whole
only,
thing.
Yeah, yeah,
only
yeah.
with the kid that got stuck in the
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
So you got
Will.
flashbacks. So you think they'll kind of like as it goes on, more
Yes.
episodes
Yeah,
that will
they're
jump
gonna
back
keep
to
going
like.
back.
Because
bro.
so far where I'm at, he's just getting like little goosebumps, like his spider sense are tingling, you know, like about the other side of the things. He's like, holy shit.
No, I
You
get
know?
that. You know what? That's
And he knows.
weird though.
Yeah, and he
Yeah,
knows.
bro.
But then
Shit.
again, he knows something's gonna happen because
He's the only one,
yeah,
bro.
because he's the only one that's been over there.
One that's been stuck.
Yeah, it's stuck out there, dude. Like, and remember the Red Ranger, right? He's in that.
Yeah,
bitch. So
yeah.
now,
He's now in Fortnite.
yeah.
Shout out Fortnite. Shout out Fortnite.
One of the Red Rangers.
He's not worth $12.
Remember the one I did in remake?
Uh-huh.
That fool's in straight.
Oh wait, no. I'm sorry. That's not the one that's in Fortnite. I'm talking
So-
about the actual Ranger.
So
The
coming
movie.
to him,
Sorry.
right? Coming to him. I mean, he was in the second season, but in his third season, he's kind of
Yeah, he's stirred up a lot of shit.
yeah, he has. But in this one, he's actually kind of like the other guy.
It's kind of like Will.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
That's kind of a
he
spoiler right there.
kind of got pulled in.
They just, yeah, that's it.
I'm just telling you that he just got pulled in.
So he's
He's not the only one.
Yeah,
Just know that.
because he's not the only one.
So the Red Ranger, if you guys know him, one of the actors, the long-haired dude with like
Mullet.
buff and shit.
The
The mullet guy. He's kind of
Drives a Pontiac.
he's kind of like Will. is what you're saying.
Firebird.
Yeah.
Yeah, like Will. Alright, that's good.
But then
I think that's a big
Oh, I
spoiler.
was gonna say
Yeah.
that was it.
Like I said, that's just as far as I'm going. As far as I got. Just
Alright.
a second.
That's
I
good
was
though.
gonna say something else and I was pull some shit. Shit, bro. That's all y'all get.
That's it. That's all you guys
Look,
get.
ain't we
Man.
only seen like 3 episodes?
I'm really getting to the third one.
Yeah.
That shit's pretty quick though.
Fuck with it.
How's that, man?
Alright.
Is that it, guys?
That's it.
Is that season finale?
That's it.
That's
Yeah.
it.
That's it.
Damn.
Damn.
That's all pretty fast.
That was fast,
One
bro.
more cheers. One more final cheers for this season, guys.
Can we?
Dave, the only one with the 805.
Sorry.
We cut it right there.
That's it.
Well, guys, this is the end of our first season. That does not mean that we're done. We're still going to be doing bonus videos. I'm talking bonus videos. I'm talking side skirts. I'm talking stupid pictures. Maybe not.
I'm
Challenges.
talking me
Challenges.
tackling all these dudes. Whatever you guys want.
How about we tackle you
That's
guys?
fine. We can do that.
We'll tackle you.
We'll set it up, you guys.
Big Daddy.
Yeah.
Look, guys, we're here to do one thing. We're here to do one thing, and that's to bring joy to our lives and your guys' lives. This kind of gives us an escape out of work or whatever we're doing in life. We kind of want to do something that we want to do.
Yeah.
And if you guys enjoy it, like we said before, please comment, like down below.
Subscribe.
This ain't the end of us. Like I
Let
said,
us
we got
know
more
what we can
videos.
improve on.
If there's anything we can improve on, things that you
like,
guys want
what
to see.
y'all don't
Yeah.
like.
What you want to see?
You guys want pain? You like us getting in pain? Comment that down below. What do you guys want to
So
see?
we'll turn this shit into
Hey,
Jackass.
Oh, what was that?
Nah.
What was that?
Hey, that did kind of fuck.
That one
All right,
hurt.
right side. Swing. Good swing.
Ooh.
Good swing. Good swing.
Oh, that felt. Oh yeah. That was a good one.
Woo. That hurt.
Let's go to the gym now.
That's all that being said. Alcoholics.
Peace out.
We're out.
The evening TV. Everywhere you look, there's a heart, a hand to hold on to. Everywhere you look, there's a face of somebody who needs you. Everywhere you look, when you're lost out there and you're all alone, a light is waiting to carry you home. Everywhere you look, everywhere you look.
Fuck y'all bitches. Fuck y'all bitches.